shape of my fear, the color of you. One slow look, and I was undone. You said my name, and the night turned warm. Now I'm leaning in hard on your skin.
Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. What if I told you that you can create a complete cinematic music video using AI, and the main character of that music video can literally be you? Sounds crazy, right? Today I'm going to show you an AI tool where you can create a full 5 to 10 minute music video without using a camera, without hiring an editing team, and without learning complicated software. Everything happens inside one single platform. And there's one feature in this tool that honestly blew my mind. You can literally upload your own photo and cast yourself as the star of your music video. So if you've ever wanted to create your own music video, this video is going to be a game changer for you. Today we're talking about a powerful AI tool called Atlabs AI. So let's get started. First, I open my browser and search for Atlabs AI. You can also go directly to their website. I've added the link in the description below. Once you sign up or log into your Atlabs account, this dashboard will appear on your screen. In the Hero section, you'll see different workflows available on the platform. At the top navigation bar, you'll also find shortcuts where you can access your projects, open workflows, explore image generation tools, video generation tools, mini-apps, and tutorials. You can explore those later, but today we're focusing on the music video generator workflow. So I click on Music Video. Now you'll see an option to upload your music file. Here I'm uploading my song. You can upload your original song, an AI-generated track, or basically any music you want to visualize. As you can see, the file has been uploaded successfully. Now Atlabs automatically detects different music elements from the track, and you can also manually edit those settings if needed. Once everything looks good, click Next. Now it's time to choose your visual style. First, select your aspect ratio. I'm choosing 16, 9 because I want a full cinematic video output. You can also choose the storyboard option. Storyboard means the AI will first generate scene-by-scene images before turning them into motion. But since I want to show you the full workflow, I'm selecting AI video. Now you'll see multiple visual styles. For my cinematic music video, I'm choosing realistic because it gives a more natural and expressive look. Now the style is set. Aspect ratio is selected. Click Next. Now we move to one of the most important steps, creative direction. Atlabs automatically analyzes your song's mood, tempo, and genre, then suggests multiple story concepts. As you can see here, there are options like morning light, city lights, the private bubble, and many more. Each option basically decides the overall vibe of your music video, the story direction, visual mood, and scene style. For my video, I found Kitchen Sway really interesting, so I'm selecting that and clicking Next. Now we're at my favorite step, Finalize Cast. Atlabs automatically suggests characters based on your song and creative direction. In my case, it already generated 2 characters, Caleb Brooks and Clara Vance. When I click on a character, I get multiple options. The first option is Create New, and this is what I'm using. Atlabs automatically fills in character details based on your song's vibe. You can change the character name, set the age, choose gender, customize ethnicity, and the most interesting part, you can fully customize the character's appearance, hair color, facial features, outfit styling, everything. So if you already have a specific actor look or vibe in mind, you can customize it exactly the way you want. The second option is Character Library. If you've already created characters before, you can reuse them here. And the third option is where things get really insane. You can upload your own photo and literally become the star of your own music video. You can even upload your friend's photo, an artist's photo, or anyone you want to include in the video. Right now, I'm using Create New because I wanted to test AI-generated characters. But if you want a personalized music video, the upload feature is honestly a game changer. Once I click Save, Atlabs generates my first character, and honestly, the result looks really impressive. You can see Caleb Brooks is now fully generated and looks very natural and cinematic. Now I click on the second character, Clara Vance. The process is exactly the same. You can create a new character, use the character library, or upload your own image. I quickly generate this character as well, and if 2 characters aren't enough, you also have an add character option. I'm adding 1 extra character to make the music video feel more dynamic. When you click Add Character, the same options appear again. Create New, Character Library, or Upload. This time I'm selecting Character Library and choosing a female character that matches the vibe of my music video perfectly. You can customize the character name and even add outfit details for better accuracy. Click Select and your character gets added to the cast. And now everything is ready. Music uploaded, style selected, creative direction finalized, cast is ready. Now there's only one final step left. Generate video. Then it generates scene-by-scene visuals. It places characters in different shots. And most importantly, it automatically syncs everything with your music's beats and overall vibe. That means you don't have to spend hours manually editing on a timeline. Just one click, and AI creates your entire music video. Processing time may vary depending on your song length. And now, let's check out the final output.
One slow look, and I was undone. You said my name, and the night turned warm. Now I'm leaning in hard on your skin.
And that's how I created an entire music video using just one AI tool. And one of the best parts is, you're not just generating videos here, you can fully edit them as well, without needing any external software. You can change scenes, add smooth motion, apply voiceovers, and even create cinematic level effects, all within a single platform. In simple terms, you can generate your video, edit it from start to finish, and export a fully polished, ready-to-publish final product, all in one place. If you want to create your own music video, definitely check out Atlabs. Link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.